What's going on? Welcome to today's video. My name's Colton. Today I'm going to be talking and demonstrating how to reduce carbon monoxide leaks in your home. Now the only level of carbon monoxide that's acceptable in your home is 0. However, some furnaces may not be patched completely 100% how they should be and may be leaking carbon monoxide. If this is your first time here checking out this video or our channel, we would ask that you would subscribe. The reason for that is we produce project and review videos and demonstrating the simple and easy steps that it takes in turning your house into a home. If you want to see project videos that we've completed in the past, go ahead and click on this link right up here. I would suggest getting your furnace checked out by a professional at least anywhere from 2 to 3 years, and if your furnace is anywhere from 10 to 12 years old, I would get it checked annually. The time that it took me to complete this project was about 10 minutes, so let's get started. Go to your furnace and look for any gaps or holes in your flue, ducts, or air supply that you could patch up. As you can clearly see this gap in this flue, this essentially is an exhaust for all of the heated air that goes through the furnace. Likely has carbon monoxide in there, and that can be super dangerous or deadly. I double checked the other flues and everything else is patched up, so I'm not entirely sure why this exhaust flue wasn't. Take a damp cloth and just clean up the area that you're going to be taping. The tape that you're going to want to use is a foil tape. Now make sure that this foil tape has a UL rating and is specifically built for sealing ductwork around your furnace. And don't use the common household duct tape. The foil tape that you will be using is very sticky, so try to get as accurate as possible the first time you apply it, but you can shape and form it. Sometimes you can easily pull tape apart if it sticks to itself. That's not the case with this type of tape. When trying to use this tape, you'll need to pull the tape away from this paper layer, almost like a band-aid, in order to use it. Make sure as you tape that you're getting a good seal and there's enough that actually covers up where potential carbon monoxide or other gases will be leaking from. Thank you so much for checking out today's video. If you want to see other project videos just like this one, go ahead and click on this link right here, and don't forget to click on this link to subscribe so you don't miss out on future project or review videos that we have in the pipeline. Also be sure to check out our Facebook and Instagram account that you can find right here. If you have any question about your furnace, the condition of it, I would highly recommend getting a professional to check it out, and we'll see you next time.